Hello, my name is Ryan, and I am in the CANOSP 2021 winter program working for Review Board. So my current project is to create output objects for Review Board tool commands. Currently, we are using things like print for our output, but this makes it really inflexible on how we want to handle our output. So my project is to create a wrapper class that goes around these print functions so that we can better manipulate our commands output, such as saving to files, suppressing, or recording the output. So here you can see the output wrapper class that I have created, which takes in an output stream object. And then using the method write, we are getting a string message that we are going to be passing to our output stream with appending any end strings that the user may have defined. And we also have a method newLine, which passes the newLine string to our output stream. Here in the init function of our command class, we are defining both the standard output and standard error for Unicode strings and byte strings. So if it is Python 2, we are passing in system.standardout and standard error. And then if it is Python 3, we are passing in system.standardarea buffer or system.standardout buffer. So here we have an example of how we outputted text before the wrapper class. So we would just have print functions here, which made it difficult to control what we wanted to do with these strings. Now we are passing these strings into our output wrapper, which will pass these same strings to the output stream. In this case, it would be system.standardout, but we can change that to output to things like JSON or to suppress the output altogether. So here I have written new tests to make sure our output wrapper is working. So the first test is simply testing if it is being defined correctly. The second test is testing if we are passing in the correct string to our output stream by calling the method write, which should then call system.standardout write. And here we are testing if we are passing in the correct string with the appendage string at the end of our message. And then the last test is testing if we are giving a newLine string to our output stream.